Hey guys, so today's video is going to be one more recreating the look video. We're going to be doing something hot today, and I'm talking about burning hot. Today I'm feeling like I got run over by train because I've got only 3 hours of sleep and I just what I'm doing to myself today. This is going to be challenging, but I felt really inspired by this girl on Instagram called Bang Tiki Tiki. I really hope I pronounced her name right. I probably don't, but at least I tried. I'm gonna have her Instagram name right here, and also a link to her Instagram is going to be down in the description box, so go check her out. She's really talented. I was scrolling through her Instagram, and you guys, she has done so many beautiful looks. I was torn between like 52 of her looks. It was really difficult for me to pick just one and recreate it today. So finally, I came to the conclusion that I want to do this one. Look how cool is that? I told you that it's hot. I love the colors. It reminds me of summer. It's summer now. The look is hot. The weather is also hot here. So I think that now is the best time to do this look. So yeah. Let's do this. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes. I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in the shade Light. I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid from the brow bone all the way down to my lash line. Okay, so as you can tell, the look has some kind of a cut crease, which is also connecting with the winged eyeliner. I love the burning red colors and the oranges. I have some of the products that she used, but I'm gonna try to work with whatever I have. Hopefully the colors won't be very different at the end. However, I have the Morphe 35B palette. It's right here. I'm gonna start off with the white matte eyeshadow here. See how the concealer is already like creasing on my eyes. This is pretty normal, but you definitely don't want to apply eyeshadows on top of concealer like that. I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna use that white matte eyeshadow to set that concealer just in the crease. Okay, next I'm taking the yellow eyeshadow from the palette, and as you can guess, this is going in my crease. Okay, that's a good start. Now I'm taking this small blending brush by Sigma. This is the E36. Look how cute is it? It's so tiny and so fluffy at the same time. I don't know where to put it so that you can see it. It just needs more contrast so that you can see it better. Here. It's really adorable. So what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna take the orange color from the palette and I'm gonna add that in my crease. And I still want that yellow eyeshadow to be visible, so I'm just being a little bit more careful with this one so that I won't cover the yellow shade. Some precise work is done here. Okay, that's going pretty good. This is the easy part. I like how supportive I'm with myself today. Like, did you hear the birds? They were pretty loud. It was a little bit scary. So I was saying that I like that I'm supportive with myself today. Like, you can do that. This is a good beginning. That's going pretty good. However, I think that I bring that orange eyeshadow a little bit higher in the crease. I didn't really want to do that, but it happened. But that's okay. Let's see what we have next. What we're doing next. I don't really want to get to the part with the eyeliner thing. It's just looking so scary to me. I don't know what she really used on her eyelid. It looks really nice and bright. She has probably listed it, but the only product that I have from the products that she mentioned is the Morphe 35B palette, so I assume that I don't have it. Let me see if I have anything to replace it with. Be right back. Okay, I think that I can use some Ofra highlighter instead. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. It looks kind of similar to what she used. We're gonna see how it looks. But first, I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and clean up my eyelid area. And as you can tell, I'm not being precise at all with this step. It's just, I'm gonna cover it up with eyeliner and highlighter and all of that gorgeous stuff in a while, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, now, glitter glue. Be right back, I have to go and get it. I'm adding that. Wow, that's too much. I'm adding that all over my eyelid. Here we go. Whoa. Okay, this brightened up my day. Wow. Using the fingers is even better. Look at my highlighted lashes. I didn't know that thing like that existed. Highlighted lashes. Highlighted lashes. Sounds good though. Alright, I think that the time has come. I'm really scared right now. It's time to do the eyeliner thing. I have this red eyeliner here by Makeup Forever. This is their aqua color paint in the shade I was about to say 40. M72. I got some of it on the back of my hand.
Sorry about that. I didn't hear anything.
What? Who was that? Some voice from my computer just... Someone started talking from my computer. Computer, don't do this to me. My heart is ready to explode and now I have to do winged eyeliner and cut crease. Double cut crease. Double eyeliner cut crease. I'm so stressed out right now. I'm shaking. Oh my goodness. Praying to the makeup gods and hoping for the best. Let's go. I messed it up a little bit here, so I'm gonna clean it up. I can't decide. Do I look more like the Flash or Iron Man? Have you guys watched the Infinity War? I haven't yet. And what is really annoying is that the entire internet is full of spoilers and it's just... Even if you don't want it, you already know what happens in the movie. It's so annoying. I'm gonna go now and finish my face makeup and I'm gonna be back. We're going to be focusing mostly on the eyes today, so be right back. Alright, so the lower lash line also looks really interesting. It has some like splashes of red and the lower lashes are also painted in red. Wow, this is so new for me. Going back to that Morphe 35B palette, I'm gonna take the yellow shade on the Sigma E57 and I'm gonna smudge that along my lower lashes. Oh, it's never cool when the brush decides to give your eyebrow a surprise kiss. That's what happened and my eyebrow didn't like it. I forgot to tell you what was that yellow eyeliner that I used. This is the Ofra gel eyeliner in the shade Yellow Submarine. Alright, now I have to do the splashes. Okay, I think that I need to stop. That's enough. Now let's go ahead and paint my lower lashes. I actually have seen that they do that with a small fan brush, so... I also had a pair of falsies. These are the Huda Beauty in the style Samantha. I also had some of that highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes because I saw that she has some highlight in the inner corners as well. Look, she also has some dots on her face, like red freckles or something. Do I wanna do that? I don't know. That's very bold. And look at her eye color, you guys, it's absolutely stunning. Anyways, I don't know about the dots, but I'm definitely going to be wearing red lipstick. And of course, because I decided to wear something bolder on the lips today, yesterday, a small, little, tiny buddy, no, we're not friends, no. A small, tiny, little pimple, let's call it with its name, decided to show up here. Like, come on. Anyways, I'm gonna line my lips with a lip pencil by The Balm. It's called Boyfriend Material. And for lipstick, Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick by Too Faced. And we're done. Actually, no, I just can't let it go like that. I feel like if I don't do the dots on the face, it just won't be, it's gonna be like I'm doing half the job. It's not gonna be like the full recreation of the look. This is the entire look. I'm gonna do the freckles. I'm gonna have red freckles on my face today. It would be really useful if I had those like small tools with the ball on top that they use for nail designs and stuff. I think that if I had one of those, it would be so much easier, but I don't. I'm gonna use my lash applicator. It looks like it's gonna do the job. Oh my goodness, I love doing videos like that. Okay, so. Hey! She also have here around the brow. Oh, hello. Yeah, since this look is a little bit more avant-garde, I thought that bandana and messy bun was just, not suitable for it. She's wearing a blue wig, and if I had one, I would wear, but I don't. Hold on, this bun is like trying to release itself. I have 2 wigs actually. If you have seen my video where I was trying to follow a makeup tutorial by Patrick Star, you have seen that funny blonde wig that I got from eBay. It was hilarious. It was an excuse for a wig, but yeah, that's the one wig that I have. And the other one that I have, I use it in my Halloween tutorial. It was funny too. It was from eBay. Okay, that's my excuse. It was a horrible wig. Anyways, I don't want to talk about my wigs, the 2 of them that I have. I want to talk about the look. I think that the colors are pretty similar. Like, I'm gonna try to do the pose that she did, like something like that. Is it similar? I don't know. I think that I could do a little bit of a better job with the lines. I think that I made them a little bit thicker. With a little bit more patience, I believe that I could make them thinner. But oh no, I love how the look came out. Again, go ahead, check out her Instagram. I'm gonna have her Instagram name here. Also, a link is going to be down in the description box. Go check her out. She does an amazing job. And I'm so happy that I also added the red freckles. And now that I think about it, this is actually a really cool trick to cover any kind of pimple that you might have. Do red freckles everywhere on your face. Cover your face with them. Nobody will notice your pimple. Don't take this advice, don't do that. But yeah, this look is definitely more to the creative side of the things. It's just something more creative, more art. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one.